the word such to emphasize a specific thing or situation, and such a great, such a surprise, such an opportunity. That was such a great concert. I had a wonderful time. It was such a surprise to see her at the event. This is such an opportunity to advance in your career, to indicate a type or kind of something, such as, such things as, such people as. Each we offer many services such as accounting, consulting, and marketing, and such things as creativity and teamwork are essential for success. In such people as John and Sarah will be attending the conference. To describe intensity or degree, when such a mess, such a noise, such a view. The room was such a mess after the party. It was such a noise that we couldn't hear the phone ring. Such a view from the mountaintop was breathtaking. To introduce an example or clarification, on such as in, such as this, such as shown. And such as in the case of a power failure, we will use backup generators. I have never seen a place such as this before, and the process is such as shown in the diagram on the board. To express strong agreement or emphasis, as such, in such a way, for such a reason, and as such the project was approved unanimously. He handled the situation in such a way that everyone felt heard. The company made the decision for such a reason to streamline operations.